Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let us discuss fashion, but for the face. Fashion goes further than just our clothing. Clothes are only half the story. What we put on our face are as much fashion as our clothing. Without further ado, the first I have skincare. Most skincare that we do focuses on the face, and I don't think it makes sense that you have so many skin problems, like you have acne and you have all the things. You wear the best clothes or you have the best pieces on, and your face is in that state. Skincare is very important because you have to be happy in your skin before whatever you put on your skin or on your body can make you happy. So you have to take care of your skin. You can have a textured, healthy skin. Just make sure that your skin is healthy so that any other thing that you put on your face, you will be confident enough to rock it. When you have got your skin right, you can slay with or without makeup. Next, we have makeup. I'm sure that when you hear fashion for the face, immediately your mind goes to makeup. All the drawings, all the shading, all the color that we put on our face. You are not wrong. Makeup is a very big part of fashion for the face. Makeup is a whole thing. It's a whole academy, from your brows to the contour to the highlight to the shading to the baking to making sure the color matches your skin. Sometimes you have to match your makeup to your outfit. You pull color from your outfit and have it in your makeup as a way of making sure your general look is in unison. Some people, you see that they put on the most casual of outfits. They are looking simple from head to toe, but somehow they just look good to you. You can't put your finger on what is making this rather simple look extra. Most times it's the makeup. 90% of the time it is the makeup. Check out the makeup. Whether it's simple, whether it's a full face glam, whatever, your makeup contributes a lot to your outfit. And another important part of your makeup are your brows. Your brows has to frame your face nicely. You have to know what works for your face. There are some fashionistas that wear theirs tinier and longer. Some prefer the bushy ones and the fluffy look. Others prefer the one brow, the brow that runs from here all the way to the other side. Whatever works for you and your aesthetics, that is beautiful. Just do it. Make sure you are doing it right. Your brows are a very important part of your makeup, which is an important part of your outfit and your general outlook. If you have been meaning to learn how to make up, I think it is actually very advisable that you know one or two, maybe how to draw your brows or the eyeshadow placement or blush placement and all of those beautiful things. Another very important fashion tip is your hair. No matter what you do with your hair, have it in check. If you're going afro, if you're bobbing it, if you're doing the pixie cut, if you're doing the skull cap, if you're doing long, flowy hair. Sometimes you do a new hair and you are a whole nother person. Sometimes you want to do a little bit more feminine, flowy hairstyles, and other times you want to do edgy and more masculine. And you find that your hairstyle affects the way you dress. For example, if you have on a mohawk or a pixie cut, you tend towards edgy, more masculine look, more structured look. Whereas if you are a long, flowy, probably ginger colored wig, or would want to do summer dresses, flowy gowns, soft, feminine looks. When I was making my hair, that was years ago, I always match my hair with my outfit. And sometimes, even though I'm on braids and I want to wear something of an evening look, there are ways that you can plait it. You can do an updo with your braids. You can do French twists, side part, center part, and have them curved to your face and all that beautiful thing. But right now, I love the versatility that my low cut affords me. I can wear whatever and it's going to match with my hair, because I think my hair is just like in the center. It is just neutral. So I can do a little bit of both worlds, and I love that for me. Take someone like Grace Jones, for instance. You cannot miss her. You can even see someone else on this hairstyle and think of Grace Jones. That is the height of embodying something, so much so that they see it on a whole lot of other persons and they think about you. At the time, years ago, there was a hairstyle in Nigeria that was called Rihanna, and it's this skull cap kind of hairstyle. And till this day, I think of that hairstyle and I think of Rihanna. Like, she embodied it so much at the time that it became her signature, it became her thing. Lastly, someone like Ariana Grande, yeah, you would know that she is a ponytail woman. She is always in this high ponytail, fluffy, laid to the T kind of ponytail. And I think that also looks good on her. So just find what works for you and do it. Head wraps. Your head wraps contribute a lot to your hair, which in turn contributes to your outfit. The combination of hair and a head wrap, I think they go so well together. Especially, have you seen afro and those coily afro with a little bit of silk scarf? I am just going to put up pictures so that you see how beautiful. You can put a pop of color head wrap. Sometimes the head wrap can be the outfit. If your hair is not working with the outfit, you can have it wrapped and that becomes the hair. Personally, I am a big fan of head wraps. I can just have it wrapped up, I can just tie a little twirly, or I can do a whole elaborate head wrap. Head wraps should not be overlooked. Your caps, your hats, baseball caps, and all of that, all of them serve the same purpose. They are going on your head, they are adding maybe height, maybe a color that is in your outfit. Maybe you are just doing matchy matchy, maybe you just want to bring something unexpected into your outfit. They can be in form of anything that goes on your head, in form of all of these things that I have mentioned. As we can see, this rather simple outfit that I have on was made even better with this headband that I have. Another important piece are your earrings. Yeah, your earring can up your look, whether it's big or it's small, as I have demonstrated in my last video. Earrings are a big part of my outfit for me, whether they are maximal, whether they are minimal, whatever shape or size that they come in. I am a big fan. I am going to wear earrings, especially because I'm not doing much with my hair, so I need to do much in other aspects. So I don't play with my earrings. I am going to wear an earring. I love earrings and the way they transform your face. Something like this that I have matched with this very small earring, but you are looking at me, you can't miss the earring, right? It's small, but it's there. You will see it. Without the earring, you will get something different from what you're seeing right now. Also, if you are not a big fan of earrings, you can get something small that is stable in your ears, something that you don't have to remove and put back. You can just get one small one that is just going to be there, so you don't have to bother about it, but it is always there to add to your outfit. And by extension, we have necklaces. Yeah, I'm just talking about jewelry that has to be somewhere here. So your necklaces also add to your face. For instance, if you have like a bold choker kind of necklace, it draws attention to your face. Yeah, so if your outfit is already on point and you want to bring attention to your face, you can do a bold choker kind of necklace. But if you want to bring attention downward, especially maybe when you have a plunging neckline, you can do something that goes down like what I have on right now. So that is one thing to consider when you are picking your necklaces or pairing your necklaces with your outfit. Still on jewelry, another important aspect of fashion for your face are piercings. Yeah, whether it's septum piercings, eyebrow piercings, lip piercings, nose piercings, and smiley. These things beautify the face, especially when you put them in strategic points. Yeah, they are a huge part of fashion for the face, and they are so beautiful when you do them right. When they are not overpowering or competing with your makeup or something, just do them in moderation. Still on that, we have grills. Yeah, you have seen celebrities, artists, even your friends, you may even own grills. I think they are also a very good addition to your outfit. And you see that when you have grills on, you would want to smile so we can see it. Some even go as far as putting their hands in their mouth and trying to show you everything. So if that is your thing, you can get your hands on a pair and slay away. Another, we have glasses, whether they are bold, covering half your face, whether they are rimless, whether they are tiny, minimal kind of glasses. Just have glasses that work with your face. You can have your medicated glasses in fashionable rings. The tint of your glasses can also rhyme with the colors running through your outfit. So all of these come together to make a great outfit. Lastly, we have facial hair. Facial hair for the men. Most women, one of your favorite things to do is to run your hands on your partner's beards, and you just like the feel of running your hands through their beards. That is why some guys don't joke with it. They will trim it, they will take care of it, they will use the right oil, they will comb it, they will whatever they need to do to have it in pristine condition, they will do it because facial hair is very important. It adds to your beauty. That is why you see an actor in a movie with beards, good looking beards, and you're okay, cool. Then you see him in another movie and you don't know they are the one. Someone else have to tell you that this is this person. Like, what? How? No, this is wrong. This is injustice. I have seen videos where fathers lose their beards and their children can't even recognize them. They're like, who is this person here? Who is this impersonator here? We don't know you, because they can't think about you without your beards, like you are one and the same with your beards. Fashion for your face are as important as your outfits. When you have gotten your outfit in check, consider your face. All of these are what come together to make up your outfit. If someone is looking at you from your face down to your feet and everything checks out, it gives the impression that you take yourself seriously when you have considered every little detail from your head to your toe. And I really, really love that. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion, wearing and re-wearing your clothes. So if you like all of that, consider giving me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more from me, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know those that I missed in the comment section, and let me know those that you have on lock that you cannot do without in the comment section as well. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, have a good day now. Bye.